Hello everyone, my name is Dan Stout and I'm the training manager at Tactical Medical Solutions, and we're based in Anderson, South Carolina. A little bit about who I am. I grew up in Gainesville, Florida. I served in the United States Marine Corps Reserve while I went to school, never deployed, but got a lot of really good experience doing that. I have an Associate of Arts degree in criminal justice, and after that I went into law enforcement and actually met my wife in the police academy, and she and I did a full 25-year career together at the Gainesville Police Department there in Florida. I spent 14 years on our SWAT team, which was phenomenal. I was on our team when the Columbine high school shooting happened, and that was one of those pivot points in my career where it really made me do a gut check, specifically in the realm of medicine. Because you could have picked that incident up in Columbine, sat it down anywhere in the United States. At that time, the outcome would have been the same. We were all operating on the same playbook, and we were all pretty much trained to the same standard. Perimeter up, wait for SWAT. We weren't trained as law enforcement officers in medical. That was EMS's job. They were staged, and there was a huge delay in getting advanced medical care or even basic medical care into that scene. And that was one of the major learning points that came out of that incident. So the purpose of what we're here today to accomplish is to give a very basic introductory course of instruction where I want to pique your interest on the medical aspect of things. Whether you're here at the firearms range, on the flat range, things that could happen there, or you're out and about in a concealed carry format and something happens. I'm going to talk about the things that I've experienced, the things that I've responded to over the years, both as a law enforcement officer and an EMS professional, and say this happened here, this happened there, what are some things that we could have done or could have happened to help prevent that from happening in the first place.